Hello, Robotics. So in this app, if you take a picture, it's showing description of that image. That's cool, right? So I'm going to show you how to create this app using Thunkable. Okay. For that, first you need to open Thunkable and then click on create new project and then just fill the basic details about your project. So once it is over, so you just need to click on create. So then you can see the user interface of your app. So in this app, first thing we need to add image component on the screen, just adjust a little bit. So once it is over, to take an image from through the camera, so we need a button. So I'm drag and drop the button on the screen, and then I'm just renaming it as a take a photo. Once it is over, to show the description of that image, we need a label on the screen, and then just extend the label. We don't need a label text on this screen, so I'm just erasing it. Once it is done, switch to the blocks. So first of all, we need to take a picture. So take a pic dot click, and then we need to open a camera. So I'm bringing photo from camera. So once it is over, click on camera pic. So set camera pictures to photo from camera. It will show the image on the screen. So once it is over, we need to show the description of image. So description of image from where? So we need to bring camera pics picture. So here is the block. Just drag and drop it. It's done. So ta-da, it's over. Let's go for testing. So here you can see I'm taking the picture using the same app and it's showing the description. I'm taking the laptop here and the description, you can see an open laptop, right? And I'm taking the chair picture. It's showing a chair sitting in front of a table. That's cool, right? See you.